Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to recover the deleted applications on your iPhone. So, actually this process is quite easy. As for the system applications, just open App Store and go to search bar. Here search for your application, for example camera, and scroll down until you see this one from the Apple. As I can see, this is the Apple's one, and we can just reinstall this application. But this is the first thing. As for the purchased applications, to recover them, at first we need to click this top right corner profile picture and tap on the apps. Now my apps, and tap not on this iPhone or all. It depends on which application you want to install. Here in all, you can search for your application you want to recover and tap this cloud icon to reinstall this application. And that's how it works. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's really important to us. Goodbye!